Hello, welcome to Group 6 demo. Our group project is a student hub. It's called Area 404 Hub, and its goal is to get students connect with each other, networking, and sharing their thoughts, exchanging notes, etc. So we have our project consists of three prospective users. One of them is guest and student, and another one is admin. So let's take a look at the function we have. So the first one is the task control center. This is allow users to create their tasks, but since we are a normal guest, we are not allowed to create any tasks. Alright, so let's get back to the main interface. Then this is the crowd source board. This is a board allow for students to upload their notes and do their past year and then share their solution. So for example, this DSA test, they can choose to download a file or they can join the Q&A thread to discuss about the question. Right, next is the faculty sports site. This is a forum that allows students to give their ratings to their beloved professors and their cool facts and their teaching style. So if you are confused about which section to choose next time, so you can refer to this forum and then to see what other people view on the doctor which each section respective to. Alright, the last is the interactive Q&A. This allows students to share random questions, discuss about like real world happening stuff like the college, the payment, is it fail, what about the UTM portal, is it down, some sort of things like that. So now we will try to log in as now before we log in we need to create an account. So I will register an account. I use a simple name, my name, a simple password. So we will register an account here. So okay, it's registered. So now we have to log in. So we just type in what we have registered and we click verify and enter the system. So okay, now we are a student. Now we can we can use the system we have. So the task control center, we can create tasks. So what our task we have, so we might have assignment. We have assignment and then we can choose the due date. Let's say due date is 5 and then the priority is very high. So this is the web program assignment. And then we can just create the task. Right, so it has the high priority and it's pending. And then we can apply filter. So all settled means it included all tasks such as the tasks in pending progress, in progress, and completed progress. So example, if I apply this completed, so there's no completed task, but if I choose pending, yes, there is assignment. Oh, sorry, there might be a typo right there. So once they create task and edit, they can choose the task to be completed, save change, yeah, then click count, or they can even delete the task. So delete the task from pop shows up and then the task is deleted. So next, browse the vault, which is allow students to upload their notes. Alright, so let's do a demo of, let's create a material. So we'll type the source code. Alright, so we'll just type source code, say for example 1000. This is a web program. This is the description. This is a node about web program. Right, and we choose a file. We'll choose this node, PDF, and it's only allowed file extensions such as PDF doc, Google Doc, PPTX, zip, and zip file. So we click upload. And you can see it's uploaded inside the vault, and this is me. I have uploaded at this date. So you can click, then we will have a preview of what's inside the node. As you can see, this is the node. And we can choose to download or we can join a Q&A session about this node. So right now there's no discussion. I can add a discussion. So maybe I can like, here is the node. You can view and prepare for the test. Right, post message. And now I post the message which one just post, and I can also delete the message. Yeah, so if I delete the message was out, then I delete the message I just created. And yeah, the professor rating. So I can give rating to a professor, also Dr. Mary. Then we can choose a picture. So let's choose a picture. So this is Dr. Mary. French, she teach French and very good. Recommend to study to learn from her. Very good. And understand her teaching style. Alright, publish. As you can see, Dr. Mary is right here, and she got 5 stars, and I can delete my ratings. So, right, let's get back to the interactive Q&A. So this is I mentioned before this allows students to discuss random topics. So as you know, recently the hostel registration system has been down, so I can like ask is the UTM hostel registration down, and I can post a message. Yeah, so and I can also delete the message. Alright, all of these features are included. So now again, this is the new features which allow us to customize our profile. So can type my full name, can upload a picture of me. So let's say yeah, picture. And about me, I am a year 2 student, SECRH student. Then I say profile. And yeah, my profile is right there. It has been uploaded to the website. Alright, so now we are going to the admin. So if we are going to log into the admin account. So then sorry, the admin account is this password. The password is password 123. So you don't know. Okay, so we verify, and then we are now in admin. This allows us to control if any student has uploaded any inappropriate stuff, and then we can delete it. So yeah, so like this. Sorry, this is the task manager. So like this node. So for example, this is an inappropriate node, and then I can choose to delete. And yeah, as you can see, the nodes have been deleted, so no any student can access this anymore. So like maybe sorry, so on the faculty spotlight, so maybe a student has give a very bad comment about attacking the professor, so the admin can choose to delete that comment. So I delete that comment, and yeah, it has been deleted. And also for the interactive Q&A, admins are allowed to delete any comments in here. So let's say this is an inappropriate comment, so the admin can just delete it. So so the new features we have included, which is the notes, we got a preview right here, so you don't have to download it, and you can view it right here. And then the profile, we are allowed to upload our picture and customize our own profile. And lastly, which is the photo section, before we don't have the photo to upload it, so students don't know which software we are talking about, because they might be the same name, but we don't provide a picture to it. So yeah, that is all about our new features and everything inside our system, Error 404 Hub. Thank you.